I'm wearing this everywhere. It just smells so good. This video is all about the new iteration of Flowerbomb, Tiger Lily. Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Raven and I'm a fashion stylist and content creator. But on my channel, I talk about fashion, press-on nails, beauty, and a little bit of lifestyle. This video is all about the new iteration of Flowerbomb, Tiger Lily. In this video, I'm going to give you the notes, tell you what Tiger Lily is giving, and of course, I'll be sure to link everything down in the description box below. So let's get into the review of Flowerbomb Tiger Lily. This is the box. It's very reminiscent of the original Flowerbomb, clearly, because it has the ribbons, the color of the pink, and then also the seal on the front for Viktor and Rolf. So this is the original Flowerbomb, and this is Tiger Lily. Of course, the Tiger Lily is going to have that like ambery, orangey color to mimic the Tiger Lily flower, but they're basically both in that bomb shape of a bottle. I also noticed that the top of the fragrance is like a rose goldy pinky like silvery kind of color, so that's going to be different than the original because the original has all silver. Okay, the original notes of Flowerbomb are peony accord, centifolia rose accord, and freesia accord. The notes for Tiger Lily are as follows: coconut milk accord, Tiger Lily accord, mango accord, and benzoin. The website says that this floral perfume opens with a refreshing burst of coconut milk accord. At the heart lies a floral bouquet centered around the exotic Tiger Lily accord. It is a juicy tropical mango accord, envelops the benzoin base for a tropical sensuality, honey. Okay, real quick, I'm gonna pop in because I didn't know this before, but benzoin is a woody vanilla scent. Okay, just in case you didn't know, because I didn't know. It's just something about that mango with the Tiger Lily with the coconut. It's giving vacation. I love it. It just smells so good. I actually like this one better than the original. Don't tell the girlies, okay? Don't come for me in the comments. But this smells divine, amazing. This is a great summer fragrance. You could take this in the fall. I don't know if I would do this too much in the wintertime just because of that mango note, but this could definitely give like spring, summer, fall. This smells so good. Oh my gosh. I don't know what it is. The coconut don't smell like coconut, but it does. That don't make no sense, but you know how coconut can be very overpowering? Like it's very in there, but not in your face. It doesn't overpower any of the other notes, but you can smell it. Ugh. They did that. I don't know how perfumers work, okay, and how they be mixing the notes together, and they be like, how does this go together? But it goes together. Ugh. It is delicious, is this fragrance. I'm wearing this everywhere. It just smells so good. She is the girl. But this one is so light. It's so fresh. I cannot wait to mix this with some of my vanilla fragrances or even just like a plain vanilla body oil. Chef's kiss. She is so good. Let me see how much she costs because I child was perfect. This one is the 3.4 fluid ounces and it is going to be $180. They do have a 1.7 fluid ounce and that one is $145. And then they have a 0.7 ounce. No. Where did I come up with that? A 0.34 ounce, and that one is $38. I'm sitting over here like, she's everything. Y'all, excuse me, but I forgot to talk about longevity. You saw I sprayed it in the video, okay? That was at like almost 5 p.m. It is almost 1 a.m. and I can still smell it. Like on me, like I can smell it. And I had a scarf on, so I didn't even think it really like touched my skin like that. I guess it did. This longevity is everything, and
I'm obsessed still.
That is it, girl. That is my review of the new Tiger Lily Flowerbomb Perfume, honey, by Viktor and Rolf. To say I'm obsessed is an understatement. Y'all saw how I got with this perfume. I'm still smelling myself and it smells delicious. Okay. Again, I will put the links to all three, because there are 3 fragrances, in the description box below, and a few gift sets that I found, okay? Let me know in the comments if you've tried any of the Flowerbomb fragrances and which one is your favorite. Since you've made it this far, you might as well join the tribe of baddies on a budget, honey, and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're the first to be notified every time I post a new video. And you might as well follow me on IG and TikTok. Until next time, girl, watch this video. Those pics specifically for you.